Good morning students, welcome again. In the previous video we had read the first chapter of the book Woven Words. The name of the chapter was The Lament, in which we have come to know how a father was grief stricken by the loss of his young son's death, and he just wants someone to share his grief, to just listen to his pain, but he did not find anyone. Ultimately, he had to share his pain with his own horse. Okay, as we know that he was a cart driver, he was having a horse. So he, and we also see that how peacefully the horse listened to the story of the master, and it appears that as if he was just sharing his pain. Okay, so in this video we will just discussing the extra questions of this chapter, The Lament. So let us see the first question. The first question is, the story begins with a description of the setting. How does this serve as a fitting prelude to the events described in the story? So in the beginning, we have just discussed that in the beginning, Iona was grief stricken and he just began to drive his cart half-heartedly, but he has to earn money, therefore he has to drive that. Okay, because why half-heartedly? Because his son had died 1 week earlier. Okay, so what will be its answer? The story of Iona Petapov is one of the suffering. The setting described in the beginning sets the mood of the reader. Means whatever is described in the beginning, it is just the introduction and just to give that sort of mood to the reader, that so that he can just make up that what is the background of the story. The atmosphere is full of gloom and darkness as it is a day covered with snow. The author has tried to evoke the melancholy in the reader's heart through the environment. He describes so that the reader is set in tune with the mood of the protagonist. Who is the protagonist here? Iona is protagonist here. Okay, so means so that the readers may feel the pain of the protagonist, means Iona. Okay, the author describes position and appearance of Iona. He appears like a phantom who is lost, as if he is not interested in the world anymore. Unaware of his surroundings and the snow that covered his eyelashes and even on his horse's back. This all sets the mood perfectly for a story that is to uncover the protagonist's loss at which he laments. Okay, means this description, whatever the description is given in the beginning of the story, that is perfect enough to set the mood of the readers. Means they can feel, the readers can easily feel that what is the suffering of the protagonist, means how painful his life has become now. Okay, let us move towards the second question. Okay, so the next question is, comment on the graphic detail with which the various passengers who took Iona's cab means cart are described. Okay, so here we have to discuss about the passengers who just who used Iona's cart to go at some other place. Okay, so let us see the answer. The author described the passengers that took Iona's cab, defining their character sketch. And what is the motive of defining those people here? Means author wants to portray the picture of the society in which we all are living. Means in the society, people are not even aware of others' pain, and they don't have time to share that pain. Okay, the first one, who was the officer, it gives an image of the impatience that the police person have. These characters portray the society we live in, how a drunkard might react to someone's grief, and how a police officer would be unconcerned about someone's loss. The cabman in the stable means where the person where Iona had gone, and in the end where he finds that cabman to whom he was interested in sharing his pain, but in between that cabman slept away. This we have known. Did not pay heed to Iona's story. Nobody in the busy world had the time to stop and hear to what the poor old cart driver had to say. Means no one was having time to hear what this old guy wants to say. Okay. Let us move towards the third question. This story revolves around a single important event. Single important event, we all know that here there is one protagonist named Iona whose son has died, and he just wanted to share his grief with someone, but till the end he did not find any of a person with whom he can share that grief. Okay, so this is the single important event. Discuss how the narrative is woven around the central fact. So the story has a simple plot and it revolves around it. Iona Petapov, an aging man, a poor Russian cart driver, lost his dear son earlier week. Means a week before he had lost his son. A load that he carries weighing his heart, Iona wishes to speak. Means Iona wants to share that pain. Share his grief desperately with someone. This was his feelings that he want to share with someone. Thus, on finding no companion or friend to mourn over his grief, means to become sad over his grief of losing his son, he tries to share it with everyone he comes across. Means whosoever meets him, he just try to share his grief. He tries to share it with the passengers that board his cart, only to find how disinterested everyone is in his story. Means only he just saw or faced the weird reaction of those passengers. Means no one listens to him patiently and shared his pain. His agony grows and he is thrown into despair. Means his pain becomes risen and he became more sad that in the whole world he didn't find a single person with whom he can share his pain. Okay, all the while there is one thing that remains constant in the story: the loss Iona suffers and his attempt to overcome it. Means the whole story revolves around a single event, that is Iona is suffering with pain and grief and he want to share it, and he just tries again and again to share that pain. So overwhelmed is the old father that he finally decided to go on and open his heart out to his horse. Means in front of his horse he just share his pain. This proves to be a true companion and listens to Iona's story patiently while munching hay. This means the horse. The horse proves to be a true companion of Iona and he listens to his story patiently while munching his hay that Iona had offered him earlier. The dry grass, he just munch that how horse munches that hay and listens to Iona's pain. So this was the third question. Let us move towards the fourth question. The story begins and ends with Iona and his horse. Comment on the significance of this to the plot of the story. Okay, in the beginning we have seen that the Iona means the protagonist is trying to take his card away for his earning. Okay, and he was looking very sad, and in the end also he means the protagonist was looking with his, we can see the protagonist with his horse only, with whom he had shared his pain. Okay, so let us see. The story is a satire on how disengaged humans are, that one has to find a true companion in an animal. Means no human is having such a heart to share someone's pain. Ultimately, the human being has to find a true companion in an animal. Iona, from the beginning of the story, is portrayed with his horse. In the beginning, while Iona is struck with his loss of his son, and is melancholic. He is he and his horse stood unmoved. Both were stable. It appeared that they both shared similar grief. Both seemed unaware of their surroundings and of the heavy snow. Means they were unaware of the season even. Means they were suffering that snow falling, but they were not feeling that coldness of the snow. The horse for being a slave animal, and Iona due to his grief. Means horse was facing that snowfall because it was a slave animal, but Iona, why he was feeling that he was not having any sense of the snow falling, because he was in deep grief. The story narrates how Iona lashes his frustration by brandishing the horse unnecessarily, yet the horse is faithful to his master. Even in the end of the story, Iona is left unhurt, and his heavy heart knows no one to release his burden. Means Iona in the end realized that no one will be listening to him. He was quite confident. So he finds solace in the company of his horse again. He goes up to him and gives him hay to munch. He offered him hay, means to the horse, while he goes on speaking to the silent animal, explaining how he lost his young son. He grieved now that he is old and poor. To make things worse, he will be having trouble in earning. Means the old father just shared his pain that now he has grown old, he is having trouble in earning. His only son was his support who could help him in his old age, but now he has lost him. The animal, not sure if understood what his master said, remained silent and heard it all peacefully, proving his faithfulness towards his master. Means the animal, means the horse, hears hears everything whatever Iona told him. So this proves his faithfulness towards his master. So these all were the extra questions related to the lament story. I hope you all understood it. So do it in your notebook. Thank you.